everyone, welcome back to Item 8. Don't forget to hit that like button, drop us a comment down below, and subscribe to become part of our growing community. For more information on compatible models, error codes, and other information, check the description down below. Today, we will discuss how to replace the fuser unit for the HP Color LaserJet Pro 4201 MFP 4301. Let's dive right into the video. To begin, open the rear door assembly. Remove the screw from the rear of the right cover. Release the tabs and pull out the cover just enough to remove the cables. Remove the screws from the rear of the left cover. Release the tabs and slightly pull out the cover. Disconnect the two connectors. Remove the 3 screws from the fuser cover and then lift the tab to release the fuser cover. Disconnect one connector above the fuser. Remove 2 screws on each side of the fuser. Carefully slide out the fuser. Make sure that the gear on the printer is correctly positioned. The opening in the gear circumference must face out and away from the printer. Install the new fuser. Fasten all 4 fuser screws. Reconnect the fuser cable. Reconnect the 2 cables on the side. Install the fuser cover. Fasten the 3 screws on the fuser cover. Actuate the duplex driver lever and make sure that the lever and the flapper move together. Reinstall the right cover starting from the front and work your way to the back side. Reinstall the left cover starting from the front and work your way to the back. Fasten the left and right cover screw back into place. Lastly, close the rear door assembly. That's all for our quick guide on replacing the fuser unit for the HP Color LaserJet Pro 4201, MFP 4301. Hit that like button if it helped, subscribe for more, and check the description for more details. We'll see you next time at Item Inc.